Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a safe and easy way to access your JP Morgan account on your mobile device, then in this video we are gonna learn how to download the JP Morgan app on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it's done, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, type in JP Morgan and search. Once you end up in the search results, look for the JP Morgan mobile application from JP Morgan Chase & Co. And now go ahead and tap on the install or the get button. It is important to download the official app to avoid scams, so make sure that you are downloading this specific application on your smartphone. Wait for the app to download and install, which may take several minutes depending upon your internet speed, and once it's done, you can easily open up the application and then enter your JP Morgan account credentials to log in securely. So that is how you will be able to download the official JP Morgan application on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.